Here we go. That's the way. I like it. Check out this bird. Everybody's like already having Thanksgiving dinner, and I'm like still trying to figure out how to do this turkey. I need to flip the camera. Okay, here we go, guys. Check it out. I found the little rack thing and figured out what that was for. To keep it elevated. This isn't a very sturdy pan, though. Now I know why the other ones are like $12.50, and this one was like a $1-ish tree. So I had to use two. So we got the butter, guys. So this is what I saw on YouTube. Okay. That's how I get all of my main information on how to do everything. I consult YouTube. And I say, hey, how do you air fry turkey? And I get a little bit of information. Then I piece it together. And a lot of people showed the butter going under the skin. So I'm trying to get my phone set up here properly. Here we go. Okay. Here we go, guys. So we've softened the butter. I like to improvise, so I'm not really big on instruction. So I hope you're just now starting. Yes, but it'll be done in 2 hours because I'm going to air fry it in my oven. Apparently, you're supposed to take the skin. Okay, this looked easier when they did it online. They ripped the skin up and then put butter under it. Well, how does that, well, I'm supposed to shove the butter under the skin or it gets the hose again. Come on. Well, they made it look easy. They said you just go underneath and you just slide it on in and start spreading that greasy butter right under the skin. See? Right under this. Yeah. This is my favorite part. I've never done this before. Well, I know you couldn't tell. Sorry about the bad lighting. Woo! That was loud. So, yeah, my turkey apparently will be done in like 2 hours because it's something called air fryer. And apparently you can do it in the oven and like, yeah. So they kind of said don't do butter around it, like just underneath it, but I don't follow instructions. They said like oil. This is what we were doing before. Time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. Fly like an eagle to the sea. Fly like an eagle, let my spirit carry. Poor bird. It's been violated. It lived a good life. Long life, sorry. We must respect it. With globs of butter. Just shove it under the skin. Just go for it. As much as you can. The more the better. I don't know what I'm doing. They made it look easy. They make everything look easy on like YouTube in 1 minute. Don't they? They said, trust me, the skin will just come right up. And you'll be able to just slide it right under. Nobody's helping me out. Nobody knows. Nobody used an air fryer before. Nobody. Is anybody out there? Maybe I shouldn't. Should I cook it with this plastic thing or not? I don't even know. Probably not. Is that the wishbone? Make a wish. Man, tough crowd. Oh, good throw. No, what? I was not supposed to take that out. Oopsies. Oh, look at the insides of this carcass. My goodness, this is just so impressive. This is a little cave here. Take the plastic. Well, thank you. I did. Yes, I caught it. So now I'm going to take a glob of butter and I'm going to pack that down into that cave right here where it's like opened up. This is an ASMR video of, I don't know what. There's a lot going on here. There's just I'm glad I put gloves on. This is just a little bit more intense than I thought it was going to be. Now, this is why they call it a butter ball. It's a ball. Oh, you poor little thing. Oh, you sad jet. Oh, almost looks alive. Poor little guy. There's an air fryer portion in my oven. My oven is an air fryer. It turns into an air fryer. Yes. So I can air fry in the oven. Give it a spanking. This is what I had to do this. I'm sorry. It puts the lotion on its skin. Or it gets the hose again. Just grease that bit. I was actually supposed to go under the skin and not on top. You're supposed to just spray a like coating of like oil on top from everything I listened to. But I don't follow instructions that well. So here we are. Man, this lighting is just awful. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Didn't know what existed. The air fryer oven. Yeah, it's a new thing in the oven. Apparently, I've never used it before. So wish me luck. Oh, shit, I forgot the seasoning. Huh? Shit. I'm supposed to do something with seasoning, like, right? I think they said like basil and garlic and salt and damn it. Come on, guys, help me out. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Quick. Come on, quick. Yes. I was a gynecologist in a past life. Yes, I was. And so, yeah, the dog's like at my feet, hoping I drop a little more. So, stuff it with sage and onion. Well, yeah, you cannot put the stuffing inside when you air fry it. Oh, here's another little opening. There we go. Where do I season it? On top? This is like the worst setup. Just throw the seasoning on top. What if I throw it in the butter and just throw it inside? Okay, I don't know. I have no idea what's gonna happen. This is just not. Okay, I gotta get serious. My nose is like running and shit. Oh my gosh. Okay. So now what? Butterball is buttered. Forgot the seasoning. I'm not supposed to put the stuffing inside. But this thing can be done by like 3:30 with the air fryer. Do you want me to do a group chat? Should I come back and make it a group live? I'll do that. Or we can invite some people on here. And then I can blow my nose. Okay, I'm gonna come back with the guest boxes so we can all talk about seasoning. Oh my God, how exciting. That was really weird. All right, come back and talk. Let's all do it together. See, I finally get an audience. Because you always do that TikTok, right? When I'm like leaving people, you just pour people in here. Okay, we're gonna come back and do a little group baking show.